It is a lack of faith that makes people afraid of meeting challenges. That's a quote from Muhammad Ali himself, the GOAT, right? The greatest of all time, and I can definitely relate to that because, you know, when I look back on my life and some of the major accomplishments that I've enjoyed, I know that it was because I believed in myself. I simply believed in myself. I believed in my ability to get it done. I wish it was more profound than that, but that's it. Look, to get from where you are to where you want to be, we definitely have to overcome tons of challenges, right? Getting out of your comfort zone is a challenge, but it has to be done. We have to get past our fears and deal with all sorts of setbacks and disappointments. Now, when you believe, it doesn't mean that the fear simply goes away and the challenges disappear. I wish that were so. Believing in yourself really means that you have accepted that you might fail. You have accepted that the journey will be difficult, but you know in your gut, you know deep down that you have the strength and the resilience to, as the song say, pick yourself up and dust yourself off. I'm not going to sing. You know, start all over again because you're learning from the experience, right? So your belief then is a certainty and knowing that if you give off your best effort, somehow or the other is going to pay dividends. You don't know how. You don't have to know how. Just know that it will. Okay? This has been a Keep On Pushing moment. Make sure you leave a comment on this video, like it, subscribe to the channel, and yeah man, share it with your friends. Until we connect next time, keep on pushing.